Hi all of you. Today I am going to discuss further one more questions that may appear in your final SSLC board examinations. So here let us go on discussion. Taking the blessings of Shri Shri Radha Nil Madhav. Jai Shri Shri Radha Nil Madhav. Bhagwan ki Jai. If the HCF of 26 and 91 is 13, then find their LCM. Okay, it is the ninth question. Is the ninth question. HCF is given 13 and terms are given. A equals 26 and B equals 91. So we have to find LCM of both. We know the formula that HCF into LCM equals product of their product. The product of the numbers is equals the product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, we know this formula. Using this formula, we are going to find LCM. That is, LCM equals A into B divided by H. Okay. That is equals 26 into 91 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are 91 twos are is equals 2 is a 2, 2 9s are 18, 182. Okay. Therefore, LCM is 182. So, second question is, find which term of the AP 5, 9, 13 dash 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 is 81. Okay, so we have to find the term. Which term is having 81. Okay, that is a 10th problem. Here the series is 5, 9, 13, so on, and we have to find 81. Okay, Tn is 81 here. We have to find n for a given Tn. Okay, so what we can do is substitute a formula of Tn, that is A plus n minus 1 into D equals 81, where A is 5 here plus n minus 1 into D is 4 here, 81. D is 4 because D is 9 minus 5 equals 4. So the answer is 5 plus 4 and minus 4 equals 81, and the answer becomes 4 and plus 81 minus 1 and equals 80 divided by 4, that is 20. Okay. So it is a 20th term. Okay. T20 is 81. So n becomes 20. 20 is the answer. Yeah. So we can go to the next question. Find the sum of zeros of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus 6. We will find the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x, it's the 11th problem, equals x square minus 6. So sum of zeros of a polynomial is given by alpha plus beta equals minus b by 8. Okay. So in this case, in general, p of x equals a square plus bx plus c alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. So here p of x equals x square minus 6, b can be written as x square minus 0x plus 0x minus 6. Okay, so b becomes 0 and a becomes 1. Therefore sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals minus 0 by 1, that is equals 0. Okay, it is the answer. It is the answer. Okay, please note that whatever I write in the square box is the answer. Okay. Next we can go to the next question. So 12th question, write the discriminant of the quadratic equation px square plus qx plus r equals 0. Okay. Quadratic equation is px square plus qx plus r equals 0. So we have to find the discriminant. We know that discriminant of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is b square minus 4ac. So here b is q, a is p and c is r. Therefore discriminant is q square minus 4pc. Okay, it is the answer. Q square minus pr. Okay, sorry, it's PR is the answer. Okay. Once again, q square minus 4pr is the answer. So next to the 13th question. That is, in an AP, if Sn equals 210 and Sn plus 1 equals 253, find its common difference. Okay. You know the Sn formula. Sn is a sum of n terms. Okay, that is, here it is 210 and sum of the n plus 1 is 1th term plus second, that is 253. So we can find easily the difference as here it is given Sn equals 2 n plus 1 equals 253. So difference is given as Sn plus 1 minus Sn, that is 253 minus 210 equals 4. Okay, answer is 43. Okay. Answer is 43. Next question, 14th question. It is, state the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, but here we have to state the converse. Means as in previous classes I told that converse means reverse. Okay, reverse of the theorem. Theorem is that in a right angled triangle, if square of the hypotenuse equals to the squares of the other two angles having the right angle. Okay, But here we have to state the converse. That is, if in any triangle, if in a triangle the square of one side is equals to the squares of other two individual squares of other two sides, then that side is the opposite angle of that side is the right angle. Okay, it is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let us state in words. In a triangle, square of a side is equal to the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the side is right angle. Okay, it is the converse. Okay, you can pause the video and make a note of this. Okay, thank you. Next, go on to next video, next problem. Next we can go to the 15th problem. Okay. The problem is, write the number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle parallel to a given secant. Okay, have you understood all? Okay, you know secant. What is meant by secant? Secant is a line cutting the circle, right? It is a secant. Okay, I will show you. It is a secant. Okay, so how many lines can be drawn parallel to the secant of a circle is asked here. So we can draw two secants. Okay, two secants that are parallel, two tangents that can be parallel to a secant of a circle. So the answer is 2. We have to say in words, that is 2. Okay. Next go to the 16th problem. Find the value of sin 90 divided by cos 90 minus 0. Okay. We know that sin 90 is 1 and cos of 90 minus 0 means it is the second quadrant. It comes sin cos of 90 minus 0 is the first quadrant, means here it becomes cos 0. Sin 90 divided by cos 90 plus 0. These are all in degrees, so it becomes sin 90 is sin 90 and cos 90 plus 90 minus 0 is cos 90 minus 0 is what? It becomes cos 0. Yeah, it's ASTC rule. It's ASTC rule, and in first quadrant all functions equals the same function, so it's cos 0. So sin 90 is 1 and cos 0 is also 1, so answer is 1. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all of you. Thank you for watching. Please be in touch with the videos so that we can discuss more interesting questions and topics. Okay. Jai.